Hello everybody, welcome to While You're In There. Today, do a little unboxing and a little review of what I think of the Tekton torque wrenches from Amazon. Comes in a nice case. This is the 3/8 drive. Looks pretty nice actually, it looks real good. Smooth operation. Now, let's turn it with me. This goes up to 80 foot-pounds. It's pretty nice. I'm going to store it on the lowest setting because it tells you that on this little tag here. Oh, I didn't know that. It's got nanometers on the other side of it. That's pretty nice. Pretty happy with that. I like the storage case. Alright, so there's the 3/8 drive. I approve. This, I believe, is the 1/4-inch drive inch-pound. Another one comes in a nice case. A lot of rattle in here. I don't know what's all in this. Oh, it's just the zippers making that noise. Okay. Yeah, 1/4-inch drive. Inch-pounds. Tells you to store it on the lowest setting, which they did. And I got up to 150 inch-pounds, starting at 10, which would be really good for the valve cover bolts that only go to 17 inch-pounds, I believe it is. I have to look it up, but it's another nice wrench here. Nanometers on this side goes up to 16.9. What's nice about this one, I like if I can get it in close enough in here without it getting blurry. It's got 0.045, 0.34, 22, 11. Those little increments coming around this collar here. This thing's pretty nice. I like it. I'll do another review when I go to use them, but just for now, it's just an unboxing video and what I think of them. I'm pretty happy with them. Did I mention I got them on Amazon? I think this one was about 29 bucks for the 1/4-inch drive, and a 3/8 drive, I want to say it was 39. I can't remember for sure, but good deal. Better than some of the other brands I've seen out there. So that's it. Quick review. Thanks for watching.